twin-headlight.com, and today we're taking a look back at this Honda Baja that went on auction, and we wanted to find out what it sold for. So we did a review on limited edition and very collectible Z50s that are for sale on Japanese motorcycle auctions, and one of them was this Honda Baja. As you can see, or Badger, depending on where you come from. These bikes have become incredibly collectible over the last few years and are really making good investments, going up and up and up in price. So this one was in specifically good condition. As you can see there, as I said, there's a full video on this whole bike. The link is in the description. But what we're interested in today is, what did this sell for? So we put in a small proxy bid just so that we could get a result. And, well, what did it sell for? Need a hand in the garage? Grab your free motorcycle workshop manual from my50.com. No cost, no catch, just real manuals for real riders. Download yours today. 578,000 yen is what it sold for. We just put in a price of 250, hoping to get lucky on the auctions. To be very honest, knew we wouldn't get it there. I just wanted to see the result price so that we could show you guys. So 578,000 yen, which just shows you the value of these bikes and how they're going up and up and up. So if you're interested in buying bikes from Japan or checking out this available stock in Japan on Japanese motorcycle auctions, why don't you head over to our website, my50.com. Head over to our website, my50.com, to the Japanese auctions pages where you can register your free account over here. That'll give you access to all the stock in Japan, which will look like this once you've signed up your account. You can see these are all the upcoming auctions that are going to be available. Once you click in, there's normally over 2,000 bikes a week. Just going to refresh that page. That sucks. Now the data's gone. Really? All right, just use the one from a different video, bud.